Here's my DIY tutorial on how to make Slutty Brownies. What you'll need. For the brownie layer, you'll need a box of brownie mix, vegetable oil, 2 eggs, and water. For the Oreo layer, you'll need a package of Oreos. For the cookie dough layer, you'll need brown sugar, white sugar, vanilla extract, flour, baking powder, baking soda, 1 egg, chocolate chips, butter, and salt. First, you're going to preheat the oven to 375 degrees. Then, you're going to line the bottom of an 8x8 baking pan with tin foil, and then spray the foil with baking spray. First, you're going to start by making the brownie layer per box instructions, which means combining the brownie mix, 2/3 cup of oil, 1/4 cup of water, and 2 eggs in a large bowl, and stirring. If you're making your own cookie dough like I did, then in a large bowl, you'll cream together 1/2 cup of butter, 1/4 cup of brown sugar, and 3/4 cup of white sugar with a hand mixer. Next, you'll add the egg and the 1 1/4 teaspoon of vanilla extract. This will make your dough creamy. Then, you'll add in your 1 1/4 cups of AP flour, your 1/2 teaspoon of salt, 1/2 teaspoon of baking soda, 1/2 teaspoon of baking powder, and the chocolate chips, to your liking, of course. You'll mix these all together, and then voila, there's your first layer. Now we move on to the fun part, putting it all together. First, you're going to start by gently pressing the cookie dough in the bottom of your pan, making sure to create an even layer. Then, you'll add your layer of Oreos on top of the cookie dough. Put them as close together as possible without overlapping. There's a little bonus option you can choose to do, which is adding caramel. If you choose to do that, you should remove the lid on the caramel sauce and microwave it for 35 seconds, or until it becomes slightly warm and spreadable. You use a spoon to drizzle the caramel over the Oreos. Lastly, you pour the brownie batter on top of the either caramel Oreo layer or just Oreo layer, and use a spatula to make sure it's even. Next, you'll bake for 30 to 35 minutes. You should test with a knife to see if the center is done. It's okay if the knife has some brownie on it, but it's easy to overbake the cookie layer if left in the oven too long. Here's a side note. Although you can scarf these right away, they'll be crumbly but delicious and gooey. They actually get better with age. Let them rest for several hours for easier handling and serving. And there you have it, a DIY on how to make Slutty Brownies. Enjoy those filthy little things.